6 now. Move everyone. 1 to 6 go to the middle. Near party go to the bottom side. Far crystal party go to the upper side. SWAT no need to defend the backside first, but let's try to go for defending it later.
Block the stairs now.
We can push them out, guys. Overlap, just overlap everyone now.
Don't go.
Go. Go down. No. Stay above first. We are going to go down later, but I'm gonna give a call for that. So wait for it first. Do not overextend first. We're gonna choke them out. Expel. No. We're not gonna go for a rush. We're gonna go down later. We're gonna choke them.
Start sweeping.
Go down.
Start sweeping.
MVP killing parties, just stay above. SWAT team, stay on the rear side. Let us know if there are any leaks. Everyone else go down. Good job, Regin. Everyone else go down. MVP stealing party, prioritize stealing against Eternals, or just let them give. What I call this? Insertion team, prioritize on breaking Eternals Imperium. Color purple.
Hello? Yeah.
Cats. Stay on Eternal side, Cats. Cats, stay on Eternal side. Just deny them. Purple. Insertion, purple. Stay down. Do not move up yet. We're gonna get out position if we need to go up on our MVP lane. Just stay below the stairs. Stay below the stairs. Party 6, 7, 8. Can you position already on the far crystal? 6, 7, 8. Far crystal now. 6, 7, 8. Far crystal now. Move. Insertion team, break Eternals purple side. 6, 7, 8. Go to far crystal now. Everyone move up now.
Hey, start sweeping. Got Eternals people here.
Summoners of each party. 1 to 6, can you go to middle? Eternals is trying to do a rush. 1 to 6, 1 to 6. 1 to 6, go to middle right now. 6, 7, 8, stay on the far crystal. 10 above, go to near crystal.
MVP.
There's one purple dot, huh?
Yes. They're gonna summon. They're trying to what do you call this? Do a rush on the middle.
There's a leak at 6 o'clock.
Just maintain our MVP side. MVP about to spawn. Bottom MVP about to spawn. Positions. We should be able. Guys. They're taking everything already, guys. Summon.
Break their crystal. Break their amp.
Regin, break the amp now.
Are you guys?
I died.
Hold them off, guys. Hold them off now. Guys, summon. People on middle, summon now. Then we're gonna break the Imperium. Then we're gonna move back. Okay, good. Hold it first. Good.
We got the bottom MVP.
We got the northern one, right?
No, we got both.
Okay, good.
Just need one more.
Core team. Maintain middle. People on the near crystal, let's try to push out Eternals right now. F defense team. How's the status of the Imperium? How many HP does the Imperium have right now?
Can break the
Half Imperium. Half.
It's okay. Okay, everyone on near crystal, back out now. Entire green team is on the near crystal. Move out now.
Eternal taking me now.
It's okay. Regin, insertion team, what's the status of the Imperium of Eternals? The near crystal is already a full guild, so it's okay, guys. They won't be able to finish it. Cats, stay on the Eternal side. Stay on the Eternal side.
Start sweeping MVP spawning.
Sweep. Visions up. Sweep now. Visions up.
We're getting mid. Seal.
I'm here, so. Just control mid.
How's the
Yekyu, can you give me status of Park Crystal?
MVP guys. Status.
Raijin. How many party?
Dami.
Hindi kaya? Kahit anong gawin?
Spawning, spawning.
Ready for MVP, guys. Ready for MVP. Spread out.
MVP.
Just keep on pushing, Raijin. Just keep on pushing and keep trying. Just keep on pushing for, they're going to summon here on the middle lane.
If we get one
Every
shot,
they
right?
get the...
If we get one shot, we can get a new crystal, and then we can.
Yeah. Just take this next one.
Where's MVP?
Where's the MVP top?
MVP.
Ready, guys. Ready.
Fine, it's already.
Status of Park Crystal, Yekyu, can you give me? Status of Park
1 o'clock
Crystal.
MVP, 1 o'clock MVP, 1 o'clock. Fuck!
Wait, also. It's okay. It's just equalize.
Focus guys. Focus, please.
Guys! Abandon near Crystal. I keep telling you guys to abandon near Crystal. Why are there people on near Crystal?
You go back and get the.
Can we break Eternals, please? Just keep on trying to break.
They have 61.
Yeah, sorry.
You need to clear 61.
Okay. They're trying to take over mid right now. We need to hold it off. Everyone else go to MVP lane. 1 to 6 maintain here on the near middle crystal. 1 to 6 maintain on middle crystal while everyone else, let's try to maintain our MVPs on the northern platform. MVP stealing party, try to steal another MVP on the bottom side. Even if we don't steal it, as long as the enemy team gets the MVP against Eternals, it's gonna be good for us.
We need at least 2 breakers for Eternal.
You have a lot of breakers in that party, Raijin.
No,
You have-
our party is only just 4.
No, we have
You
two
have
teams.
to-
We have 2 teams.
We have 2 teams, we have 2 insertion team. 2 insertion team should be breaking Eternals right now. MVP on the bottom platform about to spawn.
Rest up middle, guys. Eternal taking.
Guys, do not save up of consumables, guys.
Use your guys.
Rest up.
MVP ready.
They're taking middle now, guys. Good job.
Gotta go further.
Good. Take the northern platform as well. Take the northern platform MVP as well. They're trying to do a full course here in middle right now because they assume that they're middle right now.
No, we're getting.
Stamina
No,
bottom.
we're losing middle.
Okay, got it.
Got it.
It's okay. Just hold. We need 3 more shards. 3 more MVPs and we're gonna win this one.
Rest up middle. Okay, our M go.
Our Imperium go.
Ignore Imperium now.
It's okay.
Move out of the Imperium, guys.
Only 3 parties on near. 3 to 4 parties.
3 to 4 parties on near. Let's try to take over near first. Oh, fuck
Sorry,
you.
full guild.
Go to middle, MVP lane first. But we need to break Eternals Imperium, guys. Parties 1 to 2 insertion team. Can we go to Eternals and let's summon there? Parties 1 to 2 and entire insertion team. Let's go to Eternals right now. Parties 1 to 2 and parties 4. Party 4. Summon on Eternal side right now. Purple. Move faster, everyone. Move faster. Let's go.
Chrono, if you can, right, put LP on the M so they cannot save T1 and Moisture. Try to keep spamming LP on the M.
Just drop MP.
They have a good defense on their Imperium. How many seconds before the next MVP spawn, guys?
We need to try and take back middle now because once they
Yeah,
get
yeah.
the last one,
But
they will get the-
no. They will most likely go for the color blue. Everyone, let's push middle first.
Push middle. We need
Push middle first, everyone. We're gonna get rush here. Everyone push middle now. They're already grouping up. Everyone, listen. Go to middle right now. Summon everyone now.
Someone need, guys.
Press up. Summon everyone now. Let's go.
Only if it's blocking Eternals.
It's okay. Just push in middle now.
Coming. Come in the circle, guys. Come in. Don't
Just
fast.
go inside, just go inside, just go inside, just go inside.
Overlap, guys. Overlap. We already got the MVP on the northern platform. It's okay. Good job. One more. Everyone move in now. Move in now.
Okay, we're getting middle.
Consumables up, guys.
So
No one saves their fucking consumables, guys. Move in.
Consumables up, guys.
We can finish this on the next 2 minutes, guys. Move in.
Quick rest, guys.
We got it.
Okay, guys. Here's what we're going to do. How many people are there on the far crystal and how many people are there on the near crystal? I need status right now.
I'll go for it.
Okay, guys, stay inside the circle.
But everyone else maintain first middle. Entire
Whole of Vulcan is on near crystal. Whole of Vulcan.
Okay. How about far crystal?
I'll check.
There's somebody check the left.
About 5 parties.
About 5 parties. Summoners position now in far crystal. Only summoners. Listen, guys, summoners only. Go to far crystal right now. SWAT team, maintain on MVP area. Insertion team now.
They're not trying to push me down.
Yeah.
Guys, mid.
We can win against them, guys. Inside is in front, guys.
Inside the circle, guys.
Our MVP lane got overrun.
By which guild?
I can't remember. I died. They are trying to KS us now.
The blue one.
It's okay. If Eternals is doing a full push here on the middle crystal, it's most likely that their people on the southern crystal is only a few people. Let's try to get it. Let's try to get the southern one. Summoners. Prep up. If we get one MVP, I'm going to ask you to summon on the left side. On the far crystal.
Fuck. I hit it, I didn't kill it.
Raijin. Still focus on hitting Imperium Eternals. I think they don't have enough people right now because they're trying to push me the right now. Good job! Summon now on the far crystal now. Summon now. Move! Summon a few parties on the far crystal, guys. Summon a few people on far crystal.
Go where?
The
No,
left.
someone else.
Far. Left. Wait. 1 to 6. 1 to 6. Go to left right now. Everyone else just stay on middle. 1 to 6 just go to far crystal right now. This is an entire guild.
Summoning?
Wait.
Good job. We're taking it now already. Just hold.
LP.
Just hold.
Consumables.
Go inside. Go consumable up now.
Wait.
Okay, guys. Good job. Just hold.
We got it.
You got it. Good job, guys. GGWP. Finally won. Thank you, guys. On our next one.